Can you
Some
come
people
up?
are not muting.
I'm not able to listen you.
Sir, a few people
Okay,
were
just a
not
second.
muting, sir.
Okay, just I will mute them. Yes, it is done. Just anyone missed, you just inform me. Just I'm also in the meanwhile I'm just checking it. Second one also given this first one. Yes, it is also there. It is also there over here. It is also there. This one is assigned. This one is also assigned. This one assigned. This one been done. This one assigned.
Sir, we can check in BA essentials now, sir. Is this assigned or not?
Yes, yes, you are correct.
Now see complete. Yes, sir.
Okay. Think just I forgot that.
Okay, sir.
Just I will just insert over here.
Third component not
Okay,
assigned.
now yes, third component was missing, so I have inserted over here in this. Again, I need to click on the process plan. I will just delete all the components first. Just I will be creating general operation, third operation operator. The scope need to be already given. What is the problem? Scope. First one has been, second one has been done. This third one has also been given. Okay. Now we need to go for the fourth of this first one. Similar problem. Why we are getting this? Planning required is no only. The scope has been also given properly. Just we will try to give the scope. When a scope it is the assignment of this rerouted in this context of the new scope. Okay. As for the inconvenience, some problem is not happened here. Just wait for few seconds. I will just create it. The scope is not getting connected here. That's why we are facing that problem. You can see here the proper scope has been assigned, but when we have created for the process plan, the scope is not assigned properly. Resave bomb sir, thank you. You have not updated, sir. Updated is not a problem. You can see I am not able to use this one. This is getting highlighted. If I'm going for this, it is moving elsewhere. Just I'm closing and
Sir,
opening it.
some net
If
issues. If not
yes,
properly,
this is a net
internet will
issue
be.
because we are
Yes, sir.
yes we are using the cloud version. That's why it is having some
Yes, sir.
problems. So
I also
just
face
we
so
are
many times, sir, this
just I'm
problem.
closing and open it again. Yeah. These are the few of the problems which we are getting in this 3D experience. The proper internet should be there, and we are using some mobile data. No? That's why we are facing all these issues. So you can ask few of your queries which you are having. Meanwhile, I will just reopen this platform.
Sir, you created a iPlay as the product one.
Yes.
So where I can get exact dimensions of that product?
Yeah. From first onwards, as I am saying, we will be not considering the design. Okay. If you want design also, if you will, there are few of the. If you will internet, you might get the dimensions. But as per the process planner, if you will be working on Delmia, the role will be of yours is process planner or industrial design, industrial designer, not designer, industrial equipment planner will be there, or industrial simulation will be there, industrial simulation engineer or industrial engineer will be there. On that, what we will be doing, we will not create any model. Okay, don't think of that you will create any model. Basically we will be creating the digital manufacturing process. Okay, as this thing to you, these all are the digitally creation of the manufacturing. Okay,
Yes,
for
sir.
that's
Yes, sir. I
only
understand
we
that.
are planning for in this Delmia.
Yes, sir. That
Yes.
is okay. But now I need dimensions of some products. I want to create a certain model. So any
Okay.
such websites giving perfect
Certain
dimensions?
models, yes. You search in the Google what type of model you want, and you just search with some of the components,
I
or else
already
you can
searched.
type some 3D models.
Yes, sir.
You can type with the 3D model. Okay, you can get some 3D models, and HTTP file you will get. From that HTTP files, if you will click on the measure option, there will be a measure option in the part design workbench. If you will go for the part design, then you can get the proper dimensions of that, and as per the dimensions you can create your own. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, by using GraphCAD, we can take no, sir.
Yes, by using GraphCAD we can get, but there we can't get proper dimensions.
Means
But
we
if we
can.
want some 3D model, we can download. Yeah, we can download it from there, and we can assign in our work. If we want the proper dimension, we can remaster the model. Using the
Means
remastering process, we can create that model and we can work on that. Yes.
we can import no, sir, from
Yes, yes, we
3
can import
GraphCAD.
that models. Yes, yes. GraphCAD, if it is any like SolidWorks file or STIA file, we can import in the 3D XML. Means in this 3D experience platform. If any other than that, you can't import.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, my internet connection is something unstable. I think that's why I'm not able to open it also properly. Just within few minutes it will be open. Hello, Pawan. Do you want to add something?
No, it's clear actually. So if they are having any queries, we can answer them. That will be better. Meanwhile, it
Yes,
will
yes,
open.
fine.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, you can ask what you are saying.
Sir, at the end of the session, this is a bit confusing, sir. At the end of the session, can you briefly explain all the steps for a small assembly part with 3 to
Yes,
4
yes.
parts?
For that, yeah, and 3 to 4 components, we can't go with that because we don't have that much of small component. So I am showing you with this component. Okay, in this
Oh,
component we are having less components
okay, sir.
element, in the sense we are having only 16 components. So try to understand. If you are having any doubts, you ask me. I will just clarify the doubts whatever you are having. Okay, due to
Okay,
some disturbance of the software, I am just not able to clear it. I will
okay,
just
sir.
make you clear. Okay, no problem for that. If you still getting any doubts, I will just create some small videos and I will upload in the WhatsApp group. Okay, you can go with that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I thought with more parts, there is a difficulty and the computer is hanging. That is why I thought.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, Hasa, we need to get the license from the Dassault server. As we are the employees of there, we are getting the ID. Whenever you are in the colleges, in your colleges, you will be having some 36 number of license. So on that client projects, you can work on your, means in the college sections, you can work these Delmia things and all those things. You can't right now, you can't make this one in, means you can't upload this in your laptop because this is a long one. It will be like some 25 or 22 GB should be to be downloaded, and in that to install there will be some requisites need to be needed. That's why today or tomorrow exam. Yeah, guys, you will be having exam after few days, maybe 5 6 days. You will be having the exam. You will be getting a mail, means you will be getting a Google link for you. On that Google link, you need to upload your answers. They will be rectifying, or they will be checking the, who will be checking that. If you are able to pass those, you will be getting the certificates. Yes.
So there is no like specific part, sir, in the software. Like we can't go with the all the
Parts.
software. Like yes, sir. Like mean only for planning or only for designing like that.
I didn't understand. Oh,
So
okay.
instead
You
of
are asking that to, oh, instead of this, this is a platform. This is not a software. In
yes, sir.
normal software, what you will be doing, only few of the workbenches. Like if you are going for design,
Yes,
you
sir.
know
Yes, sir.
about the CATIA. Okay. If you want to go for design, then you can use CATIA. If you want to go for some solid modeling, then you can use the SolidWorks
Oh,
also.
yeah,
But
yeah.
as this is the platform, all type of applications will be having here. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so
Okay, sir.
that is the thing why we are having some lag. Okay,
Yes.
this
Okay.
needs high speed internet, or else we can't work here properly. That is, these are all the some problems we are facing over here. Just I will try to delete this and I will just make it. Sir, how to get any DESAL certification? Guys, first of all, you need to know all the basics, and there will be some courses in the peer learning. And if you are clearing the peer learning course, there will be exams like test exams will be there. If still you are clearing the test exams, you can go for the DESAL certifications. Yeah, as this examination is like MCB questions. Exam will be on MCB type questions. Every time if you want to unscope this, it should open, but while I was doing previously, this was not coming to me. That's why I am not able to close that one. If you don't want to keep the scope, if you want to remove the scope, then you can directly close this one, so the scope will be deleted. Now you can see here the scope has been deleted. Okay, if still you want the scope again, then you need to click on this create scope and need to clear the emboss. Sir, is this continuation of this Delmia course simulation will be organizing? Guys, this is not the continuation course. This is somewhat different than your level A. It is not like in the level A. It is like the level C course which we are providing you. Means this was conducting for the workshop basis to know you more about the industrial use cases. Means how in industries you need to work with the clients and how the work process will be there. These are all things we are creating, and this we are providing you the brief idea. Okay, if you want to learn more, then you can, when you are going to college, at there only you can practice all those things, and you can continue further for your process. There the mentor will be helping you on all these use cases to work on. Okay, now you can close this. Just I will try to create operations, and you will send recorded videos. Yeah, Dharni, I am having two videos. I will send in the group itself, or else I will send to Avila sir all the links. He will send all the 4 links to all of you guys, or else I will send the 2 links in the WhatsApp. Remaining 2 links you will be getting in the getting by Avilas. Okay,
Sir,
if still you are having any doubts with this, yeah, you can ask.
Sir, WhatsApp link is not working, sir. I'm unable to get into the group from yesterday.
Okay, at the end, I will give my mobile number. You just can have a access with my number. You can ask me access. I will add you. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Guys, and for the exam, you will be getting a link. For that, you please don't worry. There will be some few MCB questions, and what the things we are teaching you, on that only you will be getting, guys. EBOM, MBOM, MID, HM, process flow, layout, trend. This is beyond what of the other works we can perform in Delmia. Yeah, after that we can work for the factory flow simulation is also there, and there are some of the database management systems and data inventory. So many works are there, means from like shop floor equipment designer, means most of the things are there, but these are the important things in the industry running right now. If you are going to the industry for Delmia thing, then you can proceed for more. You can learn by using peer learning access also. Okay, just meanwhile, I will just create this. That one is deleted. 213. Okay, I need to again go for manufacturing item definition. Just wait, I'm just facing some issues with the internet. I'm just trying. Manufacturing item definition. In that I have not assigned this third one, so I'm just trying to assign that also. We'll just go with the BI essentials to get it easily. Product assignment status. This one has been not assigned over here. Just I have assigned this. Now everything has been cleared and all has been assigned. 3 plus 1 4 6 6. Okay, all has been assigned. Now need to click on the process plan. Now you can see guys, all the parts I am able to assign over here. Due to some internet problems, I was facing that issue. Now it has been clear. You can see I have assigned all the components one by one. So this is the second step of our digital manufacturing to create the process flow or the process planning to create our model. Okay, you can see here in all the process which we have given, means we have assigned all the operations in the each of the stations. Okay, now what you need to do, we need to give the flow over here. Okay, just I will give the flow to the operations first, after that I will create the flow of outer one. Okay, you might have remembered we are creating by using this create product flow. You can double click on this. As here single operation is there, we are only creating this outer flow. In station to station flow I have given. If it is in inside flow also we want to give, then you can select, you can just click over, you can select the tiles of the operations, first tile to second tile. See, similar this flow will be generated, means in this sequence of process the flow will be created. It indicates that only the flow indicates the process of the operations. See here I have outwards every flow cannot be created is inconsistent with the item constant. You can see I am giving the flow. Okay. Now you can see in each station the flow has been given. Okay, I think everyone can see this. You can see all the flows, means in this is station,
So
this
sorry
is the
to
third
interrupt.
one, third system. Yeah, you can tell.
We can create buffer this, sir, like buffer things.
Yeah, we can create this yeah, you can create these links. Okay, preceding links and start to stat, means it will suggest you if the first station has been stat, it will show you the first component. If it is going for the second system, first one, then it will be ended at there. If there is another one is called end link, means it will show you the end process. Means now what we can get in the process flow, just I will show you. Now we can show the first process, after this is the second process, third process, like this. Means we can show you in the station wise. But if you will be giving this exceeding precedence, as you are saying the buffer links, if you will be giving these links, like one is preceding link, second one is start link, end link, and end start link. What it indicates, if this is the first station, it will show you, if you will play in the equipment allocation, this first one will be shown you, and the second one also will show you in the first station only. After that, the second work will be start from the second station, first operation. Again,
Okay,
it
sir.
will end in the third station, first operation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But now, if you are providing for the first operation, it will end in the first operation. Again, when it go to the second station, first operation will be started.
Started.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. This is the thing which we need to know. Just we have created up to this. Now we need to go for equipment allocation. Okay, as you are asking how to create the layout, just I will create a small layout. I will create a like just convert type thing. I will, for a example, I will just create a square table like thing. As I will just show you how to keep the storage also in one stations, and we will proceed with this forward. Okay. So before that, before creating this, we need to create a manufacturing cell, which will be our layout or plant layout, whatever we can say. Just I am giving it layout. Okay, layout has been created. After that, what we need to do in this layout, first of all, we need to create all these systems. Means how many systems are there? Same wise, we need to create stations. If there are 4 systems, we need to create 4 stations in this, as I told you yesterday. So you just create 4 number of manufacturing cell inside this. This one station, just S10. Just I'm creating. Let's think this will be the S20. In most of the manufacturing companies, the layout will be created by different person, and this layout planning will be done by different person. But to make you clear what is the layout and what the process we are giving, so I'm just creating for an example to give you a small
Sir, for
difference
this layout,
about that. Okay. Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
for
Tell.
this layout, you have to go to plant layout design app, no, sir. Workbench, no, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. We'll tell that one also. You just don't worry for that. Not likely. It's the process flow of the manufacturing. Okay. It's like a digital manufacturing. It is not like a CAM software. CAM software is different, computer aided manufacturing. This is what we call the virtual digital factory of a like headset, as we are doing. This means how the factory will work in the real time. All those will be, we can show them in the virtual world. Means virtually we can show to the client how it will be work like. Okay, so that for that thing we are getting this. So now to create as told by some charas, I think we need to go for plant layout design. But instead of plant layout design, what we can do, I will assign the model just over here. So I need to create one part over there. I will just go for assembly model or assembly design to create a just basic normal part. Or we can go for the equipment design also. In this equipment design also we can create the model, equipment design or the plant layout design. You can see we have come to the plant layout design. Here we can create our own plant based on our requirement. Layout tools, I will just insert the existing product. I will just bring this in existing rack. Where it is created plant layout. What is this one? Manufacturing item definition. So process planning. Just I'm going here. Just I will show you how to create that in equipment essentials call allocation inside that only to make it easier. Just you need to create, if it is a if you are creating any conveyor, then you just insert a conveyor. You can see here we are having all those type of, just insert a conveyor inside this. I have insert conveyor. Inside that we need to create a product of that. As we have not created any product, I will just insert a model, just basic model I will create.
Sir, in plant layout, we have to give area and cell, no, sir.
Yes, all those things, but we don't have much time to
Okay,
think.
sir.
So
Okay,
for
sir.
basic example, I will show them the one simple model. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can see here what is, you can generate a resource. You can select cell. We will be creating a conveyor. Just you can see here a conveyor mark has been generated. Right click, insert. I will insert a product. Inside this product, I will insert a part, 3D part. Just I'm creating just normal model. Just I will create a square itself. You can just see I have created just normal square. You can just consider this as a conveyor of ours, as we don't have much time to build all those things. And this is also not in the content also. Just for your example, I am showing you. Now you can go for this plant layout again. It's not plant layout. This is the up to manufacturing item definition. This will be our equipment allocation. You can again click on this equipment allocation. You can see whenever you want any product inside somewhere inside this. So just I will go here. I will copy this one and I will paste over here in this conveyor. You cannot insert the content. Conveyor resource can only aggregate user defined resources. Okay. Just I will delete this one. Okay, now you can see I have got that resource. Previously, why I was not getting, I have created another conveyor for that. So inside there we can't another conveyor. So you can see this one. This is the just take an example. Okay. If I want to change or if I want to modify the things,
Sir,
then
how
I
you
can
got, sir?
modify. This is in the 8. This one, as we are creating, you just I have deleted the thing. Okay. And which one I have created here, I have created the, okay, just I
Yes,
will
sir. Yes, sir.
extend the dimensions a little bit. Let's take 1000 small variable for the sketch. I will give this one as 100, this will as 150. Okay, you got to know how to create using the equipment allocation. Okay, sorry, equipment design. I have created the resource, means conveyor resource I have created. Okay, this is generate a resource. By using the generate resource, I have created that one. And by using the part, I have modified the model, means I have generated this. I need to, if you double click on this, you can get the equipment design. Here I have created this may be my equipment. Okay, so you just copy this one over here, click on this PPR context, you just insert or in the layout, select on the layout, paste over here. Sorry, it's gone. Why it is not selecting this one? As, for this we need a lot of internet facility, as I am facing some lack of internet. Is this type of problems I am facing, so just bear with this equipment allocation. Yes, now you can see layout has been selected. Sometimes it is due to internet, I am not able to select those. Now you can click on this PPR context again. Now you select this, right click and paste. Clipboard. This may occur when close of a tab is performed after a copy operation. So what happened? That has been closed or what? Save progression.
Yeah, someone has asked a question. After equipment design, equipment allocation should be given, sir. Actually, the thing
Yeah.
is, if you're having the resources, then you can directly import those resources into equipment allocation. If you want to design a new equipment, then you need to go to equipment design. First, you need to design the equipment, then you can import into equipment allocation. If you are already having the equipment, need not to go to equipment design. You can directly go to equipment allocation. You can import those resources.
Sir, we can design in part design also, no, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, you can design in part
do
design
the,
also.
yeah.
But you need to convert that one into resource. You can see over here. This is a resource. Okay, conveyor resource I have created. If you will insert the part over here, you will not get that one problem. You will get some of the errors there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, here now you can see here I have created this resource and I have converted that one into a conveyor and I have imported that one. You are able to see now that one. I'm not able to do so
Yeah.
properly. Okay, fine. I'm getting lag. I'm not able to select the model properly. That is the problem of mine. And that's why I'm not able to import. You can see over here, I'm not able to select this S1 also. Still, if I'm selecting S1, it is going for layout.
Is there any default equipment design in Delmia? Yes, actually, based on the type of industry, what kind of equipments we need to use, there will be some sort of equipments will be available.
This rake is getting bigger. So I will just not import this rake. I will just create a small like storage like for ours. Insert product. Insert a
Sir,
3D
you give
part.
resource, no, sir?
Yes, yes, I have given the resource.
Means conveyor.
Yeah,
You give
conveyor
the
Conveyor
is a
resource,
resource.
yes.
okay, sir.
Just I will show you again how to create resource.
Yes,
It
sir.
will
Sir,
be
one show,
clear.
sir.
Yes, you need to click on the equipment design. Okay, now you can see you got an assemble mark. Okay, you have seen it here. I think
Yes,
you
sir.
will be getting a assemble mark over here. You need to create a resource by using generate a resource. Okay, here you can see the operation in the resource creation. Inside this resource creation, you will be having a generate a resource. If you will select the generate a resource, if you will select that physical product, it will ask you what type of resource you want to create or if you want to generate there. So let's think I want a storage over here. Okay, so I am giving the storage resource and I'm clicking here. Okay, you can see the mark has been changed from assembly to a storage. Okay, after that
Sir,
I
okay,
need
sir.
a, yes, after that I want a product. Inside that product I want to create that model. Then you need to insert one by one, first product then 3D part. Okay, now just I will create a small conveyor like thing, not conveyor, small storage like thing. Let's assume this is my storage. Okay, similar as I have implemented that conveyor, just copy this one. After generating a resource and creating the model, click on this PPR context where equipment allocation has been done. Just implement or paste over here. Okay, you can just see to make a drag from there. You can use this one. Directly it is going away. Just I will show you. Click on the sketch. Good now. This may be my storage. Let's take an example. I'm not creating more 5 storage because we are running out of time. So I will just show you how to allocate the resource. Okay, till now everyone is gonna be clear with this now. How to create a resource, how to you will be having I think here I can, if I can show you, just wait a minute. You will be having a library where you will be getting all the if any equipments. Sorry for inconvenience. Avilas, do you want to say anything?
I'm sharing feedback, please.
Okay, okay, fine. You can just share it with them. Okay, yeah. As I have created these small ones, but in actually real time when you will work with in the Delmia, I think Charas might know how to get the resources and how to input in the plant design and how to import all those things. Similar wise, this as I have taken as example of conveyor, and this is the storage. Okay. Similar wise, you also need to create one by one storage. If anything is needed like that, you can create one by one. You can see a just normal factory, how a factory will look like. You can see this factory. Okay, like this you can, if all the parts will be in the Delmia library. Just you need to create and you need to make the plant layout properly. But due to lack of time or due to some limited time available with us, just I am giving you example how to create that. Okay, this is the process how we need to create. Now just I will show you how to allocate the resources. Okay, and how to give the process flow over here. Again, let's go to elevated. Similarly, we need to create the scope to this also, this layout. I'm just giving some of the resource only in S10 in station 1. Let's example, this one is my station 1. Only I have given storage 1. You can give like storage 2 here, storage 3 here, storage 4 here. Like you can create your factory as per your required model. Okay, just to show you a basic model, I'm showing like this. Not able to select anything.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello, yeah, you can tell.
Sir, you can download any factory in Delmia library, sir. Factory flows.
Yeah, I
Like,
can do that one, but my search, you can see here, my search option is also not working properly. That is only the problem of mine. Okay, due to internet fluctuation, I am not able to download all those things. So I have created a small model. I am not able to select these things properly. You can see when I'm selecting it, this taking so much time. Okay,
is
again,
there any
just
co-host, sir?
similarly, I will just tell. No one is having the any resources. I'm only having all those things. Another Rajesh, he was coming. He is having some issues with it, so he is absent today.
Okay, sir.
Host are more, but that 3D experience is not having with anyone. Okay, that is the problem for us.
Sir, can you
Okay,
make a video
similarly, we
in,
need to.
sir, yourself
Yes,
you make a video and upload it in our
yes,
WhatsApp
I will.
group, sir.
Yes. Again, I will just create a video and upload it, because as we are having some few of the problems, it will be rectified. Still, we will just have a clear idea. Just I will say you how to. You can see here, I have given the scope over here.
Sir, will
You
you
can
show
see
the
this.
libraries, sir?
Guys, library I am not able to open. You can see due to internet problem, I am not able to search anything. You can see this white page I am getting here only. I will be getting the resource. Delmia library will be here only. So I can't do any more thing, because I am not able to open those. Okay, this is all about the cloud facility. Within all the clouds, we will be having all the things. So whenever you to access any of the resource, you can just click here resource. If you will click resource, after that in the left you will be having the different catalogs. If you can click the catalog, you will find the different possible. I will show you that in that video only, whichever video I you guys, I will just show you how to search and how to find the resource also. Okay, sorry for this inconvenience caused by us, because due to lack of internet facility properly, we are not able to clearly. Okay, you will be having some idea, but you are not able to know get it properly usage of these things. Okay, then till now I think you got what we are doing. You might not get everything 100%. You might get what we want to do. Am I correct? Yeah,
Yes,
you
sir.
can see here I have given. Yes, thank you. Yeah, we have given the scope to this layout. Okay, after giving the scope to this layout, we need to assign each of the operations over there. Okay, to assign the operation, we need to click on the assignment manager operations. Now you can see over here. Yesterday I was not able to get these things because due to some problems in my system. Now you can see which operations you need to assign. Can anyone tell what are the operations we need to assign in S10? Can you tell it? Okay, see I am saying
Yeah, sir.
this. Yeah, just I am explaining you. Just listen it. This general operation 1, or this you can see this name as 1163, will be done in the station 10. Okay, similar wise, all the operations whichever we are having here, you can assign one by one. So in this station 1, I will be assigning this 31163. So the name is important in this purpose. So if we will be having the proper name, then we can get it clear what operation we need to give in that system. At the system 10, what are the operations to be done. So at that we can get it properly. So as we have not given it due to lack of, so we can just, I can just explain you by showing these numbers. General operation 1163. Okay, you can see over here. If I will click here, this will be selected over in this the tree structure. So now you can assign this one by using this. Now you can see here, this has come to the S10 object or S10 workstation. Okay, so again S20. Now you can see S20. Now presently there are no assigned models has been given. So I need to assign some of the operations, like these 3 operations I need to assign. So 64, 65, 66, these 3 operations I need to assign in the S2 station. So
4
click
layouts.
these 3. You can see, yes, you got it now. Means why
Yes, sir,
and
yes,
how
sir.
we are doing. You can drop it up. So in this station 20, these 3 operation will be done. Okay, similarly you need to select this S30, means station number 30. So here I need to select some 6 number of operations. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can select over here in this one.
Sir, we have to give proper.
67 to 72. Yeah, tell.
Sir, we have to give
Yes,
proper
we have to
layouts
give it.
now, sir.
Yeah, we have to give it properly. If you missing, then see, I am selecting only the system 3. Previously I have told you to create the proper systems with the proper stations.
Proper.
That's why
Yes, sir.
only, because we will be assigning that operations in this stations, different stations. Okay, so I am
Okay, sir.
giving it 6 operations in this station 30. So I have assigned, I have imported here. Now in this, for the last S40, I am having the 6 number of operations. Again, click this 6 number of operations. You can select over here. One is missing. Just I am selecting again. Click here. Now you can see 3 only 5 is gone. I can go for this. All 6 numbers have assigned. Now you can see available operations. No available operation is there. All the operations we have assigned in this 4 stations. Station 1 to station 40. Okay. Now you can close this one. And now you need to assign the works. Okay, click here,
Sir,
right click. Tell.
sir, the order is changed, sir. 71 and 76. It has been changed in assignment manager.
That is not a problem. You can see here, we are in the process flow. It means proper flow. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Okay.
In S40, sir. In S40.
You can, in S40 it has been changed. Okay, just I am checking once. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is correct only. You can see from 30, 73. I will just drag it. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, below 1, 78. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, it will be in in sequence only. Okay, the sequence how we are providing over here, the same sequence will be done there. So now after giving the scope, we have given the, means we have assigned the operations to the different systems. Okay, after the assigning the different systems, we need to means we need to generate the, or we need to create the operations positions. We need to define, means where the operation will be done. So for that you need to click on this operation position. You can see here define position has been there. After that you will be getting this. You can see here you got this one to this. So I need to drag it to up. You can select this S10. Let's assume I will be doing this first operation. let's assume this first operation we are creating in this node, okay, or in this place. Now click it, okay, that this position will be defined for that operation, okay. Now again go for the second operation, same operation position and define. You need to drag and drop over here. Let's assume the second work is been done here, okay. Let's assume, okay, as we are not creating it properly, you just can assume and you can just know the process how it is done. While you are practicing, you can do it properly, okay. I should have done the conveyor some little bit big, larger, so it could have comfortably fixed on that, okay. If you want to give some few of the components in the same station, then what you will do, you need to copy the position. If you can go for this, you will see here a copy position will be there, okay. If you click on the copy position, it will ask what other components you need to assign. So I will just assign the other two operations for this. You can see this, click in okay. Okay, I think you might go till this. Similarly, I will go for third station. Similarly, we'll define the position. Click over here. You can just rotate this one by using this. You can drag this one above. You can just assume this third work has been done over here. Okay. Now you can same copy the position and you can assign it to the remaining components. Okay, just I am making it for my easier process. But if you are having some different stations and if you are having different type of positions or the defining, then you use the positions of your model and you can assign that one. Again, go for define position.
Sir, by using Snap, we can place easily, no, sir?
Yes, yes, we can place it. But just for an example, I am just showing this one. Let's take, we are placing up to this. Copy position. Give it okay. Now we have defined the positions and we have given for the operations. Now you can select this general system. First of all, save this. Now you can play.
Hello?
Hello.
Sir, you have provided the positions now, sir.
Yes, yes, I have given the positions.
Sir,
You
if
can
I
see
want to edit the
based on
positions,
the
how can I edit,
position.
sir?
Yeah, just I will say you. You can see one by one component it is getting assigned. If the time will be increased, second operation will be held there. At first I have shown you a video. You might have seen. According to that, we have created this too. Okay. Means the alignment I have not given properly, but the workflow which is there. It is only the process we need to give it. Okay. You can see one by one the things will be assembled. If it is completed, it will go to fourth station. As we have less time, we have not created any more components. Okay, means no more assignments we have given. Only we have given for some of the things. You can see this one is given third. It is somewhat tilted, but we have assigned the works. Similar way, we can, if you go for the end, it will be coming. The work is going on. That till some timings we will be provided, as we told you yesterday, estimated time. Based on that estimated time only, this all works will be happened. Okay. If once it is completed, the work has been completed, this list you can see here. Some of the component has been not fixed. After that, it is getting S1. You can see it right now. I think you can see the outer one, the ring, all those things, the upper ring, and this outer cap is there. It will be fixed there.
Yes, sir.
This process means 6 operations will be held in this. Means 6 type of assemblies will be done here. Okay, this is only the assembly line flow which we will be creating each. If you want to change, as you told that, if you want to edit the position, just exit from this play. Again, click on this. Right click. You can go for operation position. You just remove the position. Okay. Hello, Charaj. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You just remove this position. Again, define this. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. This one, everyone is clear with this one. Can anyone, is anyone having any doubts or issue? You can tell, or else I will just show you some another thing, that one of factory flow. Just we are having less time. I will just try to complete that one in few minutes. You just if anyone is having any doubts, you just ask it quickly within 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we can continue with the next one. Clear? Okay, fine. Still, I will send you some of the videos for this to make you clear. So you just have this idea how we are creating. Okay. This is the assembly line. I show you now this model. Sorry, not this model. This model. This model is the assembly lineup. Okay. If only assemble work is been done, we will be creating like this. But I will show you a factory flow, like a raw material will be there, how to make a final output. I can't show you all the simulation. I will just show you some of the simulation to make it quick and to make it understand. Okay, just I will try to give the operations and I will show you that how to do. Okay, just for this simulation, we need to go for factory flow simulation. This is not in your data solution, but I'm just showing you to make it clear and to get it better understanding what Delmia work can be done. You can click on this factory flow simulation. Now you can see the man is there. Below that, we will be having two raw materials. This one is one raw material, this one is second raw material. We will go with this yellow one. Final output will be gear. Okay, so just see this, how we are giving the flow and how to create the simulation. Okay, first process is we need to define the factory flow. Okay, to define the factory flow, we will be creating the object first, selecting over here. Next, select the raw material. Select the initial portion from where it will be start. Okay, initial portion has been given. Next, to the conveyor, means from this initial table, the man will pick the raw material and it will fix in this conveyor. After the conveyor, the machining will start. The machining operation will be started. Okay, so I need to define that machining operation with this This I will just assign this to the job. Okay, the first job I have assigned the work. Similarly wise, another 3 machineries are there. I need to assign the manufacturing operations for this another 3 machineries.
Sir, we can give motion of mannequins in ergonomics, no, sir?
Yes, yes. These all I'm just showing you the simulation. Okay, I'm not showing you
Okay, sir.
ergonomics, all
Okay,
those
sir.
things.
Means I
Yeah,
have
because these
I have
all
doubts, sir.
you can factory. Yes, yes. Yeah, I got it. You can do this as in the factory layout division. You can create all the layouts, and to get the ergonomics, you can go for the ergonomic workbench or ergonomic workflow will be there.
Means
On that, you can assign the. You tell.
yes, sir. Means for giving of motion of mannequins and these robots
Yes,
and
yes.
machineries, we can give in which workbench we have to give, sir, in ergonomics only, no, or in any evolution.
Yes, in ergonomics only. In ergonomics workbench, you can go give the motion for the
Motions.
mannequins. If you want to go motions and all the pathways, you can give in the ergonomics. If you want for the robotics, and there is another workbench called robotic simulation. There you can
Robotic
work on.
simulation.
Okay,
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
robotic
Okay, sir.
simulation. Yes. Now I have clicked it. Okay. I will just click on the gear. I am selecting this workflow. Now you can see all the work path has been given. Just I am trying to give to this. This will be the end of mine. Take it up to this. Okay. You can see this is the flow I have given. Means from the raw material to output. You can see this is the output of mine. Okay. This is the output. This will be the input. This raw material is the input and the product will be the output. So now I need to assign the flow. I have given the path, means how the work will be flow. I have given that flow path. Now second thing I need to assign the resource, means I need to give to, means I need to assign the humans, means I need to give them the workflow, how it will be work. So after completion of this, I need to select this, edit. In this edit you will be having some different 3 kinds of thing. I will just say you. Yes, these are the lot of things you need to learn. It is not like that you will learn in 5 to 6 days. Whenever you are working with this Delmia workbench, you will get to know each one by one. There are lots of process also to knowing all those things. If you are working on automotive, the process will be different. If you are working on some aerospace or maybe some shipbuilding, the process and the workflow will be different. So according to your workflow, you need to choose the like resource or need to check the processes of everything. So just I am giving the source behavior, means I am assigning the behavior to this. If you are not able to do these things, you don't worry. You just know what is the process happening here. You can learn when you will go to your college again. The trainer or the mentor who will be available there, they might be helping you on these things to make it clear. Okay, just I am changing the time 10 seconds. Here you can see one lot capacity is some 1 lakh or 10 lakhs is given. I will just make change it to 100. Just I have given 100. Okay. Now I need to go for the decision making, means how to, if I will give the decision, then it will show the path, means if it is the raw material is coming from here, if it is assigning in this portion, then the workflow will be from according to the conveyor, and after that the machinings, like 4 machinings are there, it will be conducted in the 4 machinings. At the end it will go to the conveyor and it will give the final output. So we need to give the decision making, a decision making zone for that. And just click on escape. You will be getting the decision making zone. After that, we need to add resource. Click on the add resource zone. Here will be add resource. Need to click over here, initial one, and this will be starting, means we are giving the resource, means we will be adding the human mannequin for this resource. So I am providing the resource zone over here. You can see this. Escape again. Click on this. Assign the. Just wait. Click this resource pool assignment to this mannequin and make it validate. Now click on the app option. These three should be open to make a visual play. Now we will just try to give one sensor. Just in this end, I will give a sensor. Why we are putting the sensor is to get the knowledge to how the work is getting flow and how the work will happen. If it is full, the conveyor is full, the man will stop at that place. Just I will edit that and I will change it to 250 because the length is more at that place, and click it validate. Now similarly here I need to assign, I will just keep the machining process. In this base I need to click the transfer service and I need to give the, there will be a different codes like thing. This here the code is like TC MBB, the transfer service code. Need to click it OK.
Sir, what is that code, sir?
Now, hello.
Sir, what
That
is that
code is
code
like
indicates?
transfer service, means from, yes, from here to here the work will be flown. Na? For that workflow, the this path is generated. We have given that code to generate the path and start the machining process. We need to assign the work, na? Means where we need to give the machining. We have given the path, but to work start the work we need to give means we need to assign to the machine. Okay, we have assigned to the machine by using that code.
Okay,
did you
sir.
understand?
Means how we, yes,
Just
sir,
click.
I understood. Means there are different types of codes, no, sir. How you know?
Yeah, there are different type of codes. To know those codes, the client will be provided to you. Okay, means if there is transfer service, there will be different code. If it is a pick and means pick and drop, there will be a different code. Okay, those are all things you will learn. Means the client will be provided everything to you. If the client is not providing, then there will be a data book will be provided to you. Means where all the details of the things and materials from all the A to Z, means raw material to output, all the data will be given to you. So by using that data, you will be planning what to do and what the next things to be done. All those things you need to check. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This is only basic example. Okay, if you will make it for first time, then it will be off. Okay, so you need to click it on, because to make a human slide, we will be this human, we have assigned this human to pick the raw material and place it here. Okay, so we are selecting this one, and some of the options we need to select here. In this you will be having this first one option only, but every time you need to go for all those things, because we need to display the events, futures, auto cycles, all those things, buffer quantities, all. and someone is asking about the bottlenecks yesterday. So by using this analysis, and if you will click this and detect bottleneck, we will getting the clear idea, and there will be no crash over there. Okay, after clicking off all these things, we will be playing this model. You can see here the man is going there, he is picking the object, picking the raw material, and he is placing over here. Okay, now as we have given the sensor and decisions, it is showing if it will be put, then it will be directly moved towards the conveyor. Okay. If you will wait, one by one machining operations also you can see here, it will be fixed in that place. You can see over here, this first machining, sorry, second one, a raw metal has been fixed. You can see here. Can you see right now? See, this second one is gone to third operation. If the third operation has been done, it will go to fourth operation. You can see, just wait and see. From this third one, it will go to fourth one. You can see right now. From this third, it has come to fourth. After completion of this fourth work, it will be go to here. At last, you will get the final output. Yes, we will share you the recordings, guys. If still any issues, I will just create another videos for you, and I will send for your reference purpose also. So don't worry regarding that. See, you can see now. You can see now that final output, whichever we have done, it is going to out of box. Okay, did you get?
Yes,
It's
sir.
all process and plan flow. Yeah. Then till now, any questions, any other things you want to know?
Sir, say the customer will give the plant requirement he need. So we can tell them
Yes.
the space required, sir, like this much area has to be in there
Yes,
to
yes.
install. It should.
Yeah. You will be telling all those. Can you tell what is your name? Are you Charaj?
My name is Ashok Kumar, sir.
Ashok Kumar. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What you will be doing now, you will be creating 2D layouts also, not only this 3D layout. You will be first, you will be creating a 2D layout. You will be giving a idea about, means where you will be keeping all the equipments, where you will keep the conveyor, where the machineries will be there, how many workers will be working on that.
Yes,
All
sir.
the
Yes,
data
sir.
you will be just having a clear idea, and you will give to them. Okay, so that what the client will do, as per their requirement, you will create that factory as per the client requirement only. Let's think client will tell you that we are having in 60 into 60 feet like area. You need
Yes,
to
sir.
create a factory in that area. Then according to the client requirement, you can just think what components you can keep, what are the machineries will be included, what conveyors will be there, how many men or how many workers can work on that place. All those you will define, and you will give the data to the client. Once the client receives all the data, he will tell you just, yeah, I need this thing, along with what components I can prepare, or what digital manufacturing I can do with this platform. Then you
Yes, sir.
can just give him a clear details of the work as we are showing you. You can show him that these are the works which you are doing. By showing these things, you can know how much area is there, what type of raw material you are using, how much components if you will produce, what much cost. All those means from basics, from the raw
Yes, sir.
materials to cost estimation to data management services and to sales. All those work we can do in Delmia. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is a
Yes, sir. If
solution oriented
yes,
platform.
sir. That's
Yes.
what I was understand from the starting, sir. Like the place was not enough, so we can't make the consistency, sir, in our layout. So that's what my
Yes.
query is especially.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if place is not there, then your work is to optimize. First day
Exactly.
itself, I
Yeah,
told
yeah.
you, this is not only to create, we will be optimizing. Let's
Optimizing.
think the
Exactly.
conveyor is so much big. Yes,
Yes, sir.
this conveyor is so much big and this so much area we are having free. So what you can do, you can create this area below, means you can create it inside some place, and you can show them that by using this thing, we can create this. And you can shift your raw materials or you can shift your storage place to somewhere else. Okay.
Sure, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you told at the beginning of the session that you would share the number in the chat box so that you can give access to me in the WhatsApp group.
Yes. Already, I think I have shared my number. Just I will give it again.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, I will try to send the link here over here. Just wait.
If any further doubts, you can ask right now.
Guys, you can ask your queries. Within that, I will. In the meanwhile, I will send you the link also, and you can share your feedbacks with us. How you feel about the workshop and what are the opinion of yours. If any changes is needed or any more workshops you want, you can just share your things with us so we can make it better further.
Yes, sir. This is Ashok again. Sir, like you made
Yes,
a
Ashok.
lot of projects. So, what will be the main
Yes.
constraints, sir? Like how we will face the problems while we are interacting with the software? Um,
Yeah, I missed your voice. Can you
yes, sir.
tell me again?
Yes, sir. Sir, what will be the constraints? Like what will be the problems we can face while we are interacting with the factory flow design? So that because from the problems we can learn, no, sir. That's what. Like one
Yes,
or two.
yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Problems in the sense, problems in case you will be getting while you are doing some simulations. Okay, as we are showing up to this, in this simulation only mostly you will be getting problem. And in this simulation, while you are giving ergonomics flow and while you are giving the robotics flow, that will be first thing. Okay, you need to give it proper, or else sometimes what it will be happen, you have assigned to a robot or to assign a mannequin to the work, but it is not coming properly. He may go some in other flow, but the work will be in some other flow. That might be one problem. And second thing, if you have not assigned the proper workflow to the machineries and not given the coordinates, there will be some different codes for the operations. Okay, you need to know the proper operation codes, and you need to assign it in the machineries properly. That will be the second one. And sometimes you will be giving the not giving the proper factory layout. The layout will be somewhat wrong, and the process which you have given is somewhat different. At the time also you might face some of the problems. As yesterday I told you, the assemblies and the process plans, it will be should be similar. Okay, if you have created some 4 stations in the manufacturing assembly, but while coming to the process planning you have created 5 or 6. Okay, that is not possible, because as per your assemblies you need to create the process plans. So as per the process plan you will go for the factory flow. Okay, that will be the sequence process, means from first onwards, how you are creating with the assemblies, you need to think of that as per we need to create that models, or if it is for simulation you need to give the simulation according only, so you can get it perfectly. But if you are missing those, then you might face some problem or some of the issues. Or as I told you, you have assigned that human, but he is going on some other way. You have
Yes, sir.
given it to come right and left. He may go from some top and down. Okay,
Yes, sir.
he may go in air. Those things you will be getting problems. So when you are on continuing practice on these things, then you can clear that doubts, and you will be having the a hands-on process. Okay,
Exactly,
so
sir.
you will be having a clear idea on what you are creating. As we are only showing to you, then you can, while we are showing, it will be easy for you. Yes, we are
Exactly, sir.
getting these
Yeah.
things. It may be the same process we need to create, but when you will create the process which I told you, it might be somewhat different for you. As I have taken some 16 components, if you might have taken some 14 components, at that time the process and the flow and this factory flow simulation will be different.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now.
Like how we missed one component to place in the tile
Yeah.
today.
At that
You have
time
to
we
say.
have missed one component. I have
Sure.
forgot to assign that.
Yes, sir.
As you have informed me, I
Yeah.
have gone for BI essentials, and I
Exactly, sir.
have
Yeah.
gone for the rectification. Yes,
Sure, sir.
very
Thanks.
good.
Thanks, sir. Thanks a lot for your valuable time with us, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for service. Yes. If everything is over, then we can end up the meet. If few of you have not joined, you can just join by using the group link. Someone can send the join link over here. I'm not able to open my WhatsApp over here because it was slow internet. Someone can send to your friends who want to join in this meet, or in this Tell Me a Factory Flow, so they can have a clear idea what they want to do. Yes, sir, I am from Kerala, so will I get the certificate? Yes, guys, it is not a thing that if you are from Andhra or Kerala from somewhere, you can get the certificate wherever you are from. Okay, this is only for the students. Okay. So from wherever college or whichever area it is, it's not a big issue. You will be getting the certificates. Hello, Abhilas, are you there?
Yes, Deepak.
Yeah, as the students asking that when they will be having the exam and those certificate, can you just give them the brief so we can have the
Okay. It takes minimum 1 week, students, regarding exam and certificates also both. When the exam is conducted, after completing exam, you will get certificate within 1 week.
okay, thank you,
Certificate
Abhilas.
will be
Yeah,
issued definitely,
as
but it takes some time. That's all.
it will take some time. Yes, I got it. And some few students are asking, we have joined
If,
before, but we have not got certificate till now. So that might be some of the issues, or that might be some missing of the Gmails you might got. Students, that is not an issue. You can just have a mail to the authorization, so you may get the certificates easily. Okay, you just need to wait for few days. As it is completed today, you might get the exam link after 5 days, or maybe after 1 week. Once you complete the certification, means exam, they will be viewing the answers, and you are got clear or not. If it is clear, then the certificates will be provided by your mail as a soft copy within week. You take an example of a week, so it might be for exam and the certificate you may take 10 to 15 days. Okay, I think it's clear to all of you.
Sir, I have a query with Abhilash, sir.
Yeah, Avilas, are you there?
yeah,
Yes, some student.
Tell me.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. I am
Good
Pavan.
afternoon. Yes, tell me.
I completed product design, KETIA product design course, but I haven't received any exam link, sir. It
Okay,
has been
Pawan.
20 days.
Until now, we did not issue any certificate for students program. Why? Because we are in continuously conducting programs, lot of programs. Day by day, there is a lot of work. So until now, we did not issue any certificate for any student. It
Okay, sir.
takes some
Thank you.
time. Definitely, the certificates will be issued.
Okay, thank you for clarification, sir. I thought I have been left. Thank you.
Nothing.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
tell me.
Hello.
sir,
Yeah, tell me.
recorded videos. Please share that recorded videos, sir.
Okay, definitely.
Yes, we will send you the recorded videos.
Okay.
Avilas, just I'm adding you in the group. You can just share some of the video links, and I'm having some 2 links in my drive. I will just share those 2 drives links to the student.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, Shankar, I will just send you some of the materials like PDF I am having, and PPT also I am having. I will just send you those PPTs to get a clear idea on the materials. Okay. If everyone is clear, then we can wrap up the meet. Yes.
Sir,
You
can
can just
we specify the
yeah.
time for lathe machines in process planning, sir? Now,
Specify. Whenever we are giving the machining, there is a MC machining will be there. MC machining workbench is there. In that MC machining workbench, while you are giving the simulation, means at that time you need to give the kinematics. At that kinematics, we need to specify the time also.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, here we will be working on some few 10 to 12 number of applications or workbenches. Okay, as you have learned some few 6 to 7 workbenches, those are basic and those are important to work on. As you are saying these kinematics, all those things, there will be a kinematic engineer will be there who will be working on all those things. He will provide you all the data. From that data, you will be generated directly. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I think everyone has got fine. If any queries, you can ask us or we can wrap up the meet.
Thank you, Deepak. Thank you all for
Okay, sir.
giving.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pawan, for your valuable time.
Yes, thank you all.
Okay, guys, just I'm stopping my sharing. Yeah. Thank you all.
Thank you all. Bye, Deepak. Bye, Pawan.